You may find signs that anak-anak ni they have school refusal.
Lepas tu tak nak pergi sekolah.
Tak nak pergi sekolah. Why? Dia takut.
Yes.
Dia takut kalau pergi sekolah get bullied again.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the signs of coming home with barang-barang yang terhilang. Oftennya the physicality selalu you ingatkan
hilang
physical,
pencil, hilang it starts with
pada
small
badan, but actually something has been taken away. That's
Betul.
physical also,
Betul,
right?
kan? So things like that. Please be alert, ibu bapa. Oftentimes we don't listen anak-anak kami. We say tak apa je lah, yeah. Go and buy another pencil, yeah. But tolong be alert. What does physical boleh look? Satu lagi symptom or sign-nya in the behaviour side. Tadi I mention refusal to go to school, tapi kadang-kadangnya they start dulunya dia belajar examnya okay, tapi suddenly exam results or something change.
Perubahan akademik.
Akademiknya.
Okay, one of the other kesan kemungkinan berlaku dia dibuli secara fizikal is that maybe dulu kalau kita nak sentuh dia atau peluk dia okay, tapi tiba-tiba sekarang ni dia dah
sensitive to physical touch.
Ya, dia dah sensitif atau dia pun dia reaksi dia seperti macam jangan sentuh saya like or like dia dia takut atau dah tak nak disentuh mungkin sebab ada kesakitan ataupun right, that's a physical reaction also to a physical thing that has happened.
For the kesan-kesan emotional tu, so biasanya kalau anak-anak biasanya quite cheerful, now suddenly dia bukan merajuk aja, maybe the tantrum increase. Kan? From their stress level or their tolerance level sudah berkurang, sudah diejek di sekolah, sudah tak boleh tahan lah. As soon as they come back home, they in turn have to express it out.